of attending this celebration. Naakul ba kung mga teachers sa dalang mga katupag, no? So, though I know no, na ang iba din nagkatugid because of kilala niyo bitang ako niya mother. But to some, ay alam ko din na this is part of your requirements, no? So, kahit na ganon, thank you very much pa rin. I also would like to thank those individuals who have actually prepared this event for my mama. Hindi ko man kayo isa-isa, but thank you so much. So, natuwa kami lahat because nag-text lang kami na meron ganitong celebration. Doon nagpaihaw na siya sa bago dito sa balay, kaya kami naman, amo na ko siya. So, one time nag-chat na lang ako, magsuksok ako sa long sleeve, kaya kailangan niyo mag-attend sa ako na celebration. And thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for this. So, to our mama. So, most of the time when giving the chance to speak, I prefer to just give it discuss things. But ginasulat ko pala ang ako na ihambal na nagtutulog ng ako. So, kaya sa ko isulat ko na gusto ko ihambal. So very dali lang siya. So first of all, I want to say, I am proud of you. I love you. And thank you. As someone who's expecting you to come every day, from your lead to the as someone who was always waiting for you after your seminars in Sulan.
Anong ba yan?
Mostly because of, hello, pasalubong. As someone who gets excited for your padala to the Arakan gym because during that time, isa lang yung gym na sinasakit namin. Whenever you couldn't come home because of unfinished tasks. And most especially, as someone who has experienced your love and care as our mama. So I stand here speaking not just for myself, but from the hearts of your 10 children. May I request my siblings, ang mga utol ko na magtinto. May I request ang ako ng mga utol ko magtinto. Just for them to recognize kung sino yung 10 na sinasabi ko.
1, 2,
3 in-laws.
3, 4, 5,
2.
6,
And 3 mga apo. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much. So thank you because despite of your schedule, you always had your own unique way of showing your love. Whether it's with baha or punta sa bayabas. Thank you for never giving up, no matter how difficult, very difficult. Imagine, magbuhay ka ng 10. No matter how difficult life becomes. You love us even before we know you. You cared for us even before we experienced life ourselves. You never quit. You face each day with enthusiasm. You laugh your lungs out even in the most challenging moments. So to those who know my mama, who's you know what I mean? So I will never forget those times in the early 2000s when the community was on high alert because of conflicts between military and NPA. Even while we were having our dinner, you complicated discussions. Sabi ko, if there's war, pero ilong wala siya, kung may kita ka roon, mag-separate dalawa ka part. So, I know that we are not, and Juan and Bugapo, princess will go to Yahay kasi magkaibang daan din siya. It might sound strange to others, but to me, it was proof of how strong and prepared you were for any situation. I will never forget seeing you in the hospital and able to move the left part of your body. Yet when you saw me, you smiled and said, "Naguba ang ating na mo." Budak na ko sa lipstick ito, pangit ko sa. It was a time when yung na-stroke siya. And that's who you are. Always positive, always ready to face life with grace and humor. Your generosity is unmatched. You help without expecting anything in return. You give without limits. You always tell us, at least kita, kung may agyapon sa mga program sa atin. No? And, of course, God will provide. Through you, we learn what it means to surrender everything to God. And I also remember one December when I asked you to wait for me in Sudan so we could go home together. By that time, and by the time I was arrived, it was already dark. So the hatan-hatan had left and the jeep was full. Without hesitation, you asked the driver if we could be tied to the Nicole Cottage. And we did. From Isula to Bangko, nagkabit-nabit kami sa Lilusan Jeep and we're talking live.
Ang simple man nga, wala na retire na wala kang problema. Ano?
Saan ito mo problema?
Ang ginayang
Memories.
Wala mo nga problema. Kicking ano live.
At awagan siya.
I'm also proud of many lives
Sinani mo. December na ngayon.
about Andian.
Ilang buwan na lang.
Like the time you put other
So, litos ka naman eh. Litos.
I wonder, why would need to visit a student's house? Bakit kailangan? Bakit kailangan?
Litos tayo.
But when I become one myself, I realized it's not just meeting your parents. It's all about kagulang ng kagbagulan. It's about truly knowing your students so that you can reach them there. No? And of course, for those who are grateful parents, may alam ka na sa mitlo. That's so many.
Take agad das.
So yun na, for your students was so great.
Kilala
that
ko.
I'm
Nagalanggan eh. Nagalanggan.
Sinabi ng teacher na ang malaga yung extension sa iyo. So I believe no, wala na ano, ito ang printer, ito talaga ano. Just to make sure na ma-deliver na
Dire
natin.
naman kami sa biyak. Dire naman.
Mama, today we celebrate this milestone with you. This may be the end of one chapter, but I believe our director,
God bless you.
has already prepared the next
Nag-ablom si
episode.
ma'am na. Nag-ablom na siya.
One filled with new surprises and blessings. You've done so well in this one.
Saan naman pala chat niya? Being like,
Good job, Mama. And we are all proud of you. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. We love you and we are proud to call you our Mama.
Pat.